Welcome back to another exciting unboxing here on Civvie. That's where we are. I am in the 3D printer hellscape known as the paint room once again, with a exciting unboxing of apparently the Orico 10-port USB 3 desktop hub. Wow, easy your PC. Easy it. Anyway, 10-port hub. Amazon Basics doesn't seem to have a 10-port one, so I'm gonna go with this one. Brown box, usual stuff. We've got it in a bag. We've got a foldy box thing. Let's not get to that yet. So we have a USA power supply with the 2-prong adapter, as usual. So it looks like it has quite a few feet. I'd say probably maybe 10 feet worth of cable there. What do you think? What do you think? Say in the comments, what do you think this much cable is? Use your imagination. For power, but your USB must be pretty close because it looks like we have about a 1-foot cable here. I'm going really fast. We've got some Chinese writing on here. They'd love to hear from us. Thanks for choosing Orico. QR codes. Oh, it goes to the website apparently. Why? I guess one's the Chinese website, one's the English website. That's fine. What does it say about to use it? Quick installation. Plug it in. Got it. I can do this. This actually looks like the same power supply that comes with my 3D printer. This looks like the same supply that comes with the Monoprice Maker Mini printer. That's a little weird. Maybe let's get to the set of ports here. Comes this white paper here. It's pretty light. Like, it's an okay weight. It won't like move around. It's got little grippy feet on the bottom, so you could say put it on your desk and put USB ports or cards into it. It has lights to tell you which ones are plugged in, and on-off switch, so you could technically turn them all off if you wanted to. And then on the top, we've got we've got our USB B, DC power in. What does this take? This is a 12-volt 4-amp adapter, so you could probably use some other power supply if you needed to. But that's about it. It's pretty basic. Easily put that, take it out of the box, put it on the channel, and I think I'll see you guys next time. I'm Civvie, and that was what was in the box. You don't really need to plug it in, but if you need more USB ports than what you have, which I'm using little 4 USB port ones, or if you need powered USB ports for charging, or say like cameras that require a lot of power, this is what you're looking for. Find on Amazon in the link below. I'll see you next time.